Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very important for students. Many students want to know about income streams as a student in order to survive in America. This is because many students didn't get a job in America. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about 3 income streams that you can do as an international student. You can do it as a part-time job. It will be your passive income, and at the same time, you can complete your degree in America. Number 1, Amazon business. First income stream that you need is Amazon. First of all, you need those skills so you can make your company there. Students who are asking that making a company is legal or illegal, can you make your LLC? So yes, you can make your LLC. The only thing is you have to pay your taxes on time. I will cover this topic in another video. That will show you how to create your LLC. And how can you show someone else as an employee and yourself as the boss, which does not make any difference to your status. Then once you make your LLC, then you can add it with eBay, Shopify, and other accounts. So first, you learn these skills. This is the first income stream. You are all free to do Amazon as a student. The only thing I am repeating again is that you have to pay the taxes. Now coming towards the second income stream that many people are doing in America is trading. You need to invest a little in this. You can start from $500 and go up to $5,000. For this, you can use Robinhood and Fidelity. These are 2 websites in America that most of the students are using for daily trading. If you can earn $50, that can save you 5 hours. Do trading and earn dollars sitting at home. That gives you freedom. Now coming towards the third income stream that you can do as a student, in which you don't need any documents, it is buying and selling. You can take used things or home garage that you can buy from a garage sale, and then you can sell those from your home. Only students do this because students need most of the money in order to afford their education and to survive. These income streams are far better than doing a job because you can get freedom there and you are your own boss. So make sure to learn these skills if you are going to America. I will share further details in another video. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to get the latest update or information about the US visa. Thanks for watching!